to my tutorial on how to make checkpoints for an obby game, like so it also says with data stores. So last tutorial I made data store tutorial on how to make one. So you can check that out. I will make like a box here in the top right corner. You can click for the video, and so to make one you can I'm first gonna make this to stage because yeah, it's a stage here on another coin. So stage. So I'm just gonna change it. Yeah, that's it. So now we can make this part add a number value. This is our stage. So we have stage 1 as 0, and this is stage 1. I'm just gonna make the script so we already have this in here. So we can make another variable. So stage equals dependent stage, and stage will equal stage dot value. Not equals. We can also make this if player dot list value is higher than then like the number is bigger than ours, then you can do what you want, like temporary checkpoint or something, because I would not like it if you go to checkpoint 1, like 0, and you go to 1, and then you forget this side, so you go back, and then you're again with checkpoint 1, so you can just set and go back to what checkpoint you were on. So that's also something. So yeah, I'm just gonna put this in here. The stage 0 and this is 1. So in the leaderboard, we simply have to do one thing. Player dot character added connect function character. So simply this does when a player joins and his character added. So when he spawns or like dies, like resets and then respawns, that's the function that's gonna fire this function character added. So we're gonna make a folder on workspace. You can call it whatever you want. I'm gonna call it checkpoints. And you can also name these what you want. It doesn't matter. Just put them in here. So put all your checkpoints in here. There should be. Don't put anything else in there, or you know how to filter it. So we can do for underscore I and pairs. Make a variable local checkpoints equals game workspace dot checkpoints. So I'm putting this up here because I don't want to define the variable every time a player added, which helps the game or the scripts to run faster. Do So now we run this code. So they're gonna be code in here, and we run it for like for everything, like for the children that's in here. So of our checkpoints, these are the two children, and we're gonna run this code for this one, and then we're gonna run the code again, but for this one. So the thing we can do that is if I dot stage dot value equals to stage dot value, then sorry for the break. So if this stage value equals to or equals to our stage that our player is, we're gonna teleport him to this checkpoint. So character dot humanoid roof pod. The best thing you can do is like humanoid roof pod because it's in R15 and R6, and yeah, it works. So you can teleport people. So position equals to I dot position, so our path. But we don't want our players to get teleported inside. So normally it now would get like teleported. So this our player and it would get teleported like this. We don't want that. So we're just gonna do plus vector 3 dot new 0.4. So it's gonna teleport 4 up in the height. Uh, so basically, why 4 stats in the height? Because a player is 4 stats, so can spawn a player, a rig, and I have 0.5, so I need to scale it up 8 times. So this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So the head is not very important. It needs to be like this because the head is it's gonna be like this already with 4 stats. So yeah, so we're gonna do and also we're gonna wait here. So it actually, so I think I have my 20 coins saved from the last one. So I think my stage is 20. No, it's changed. So if I go now to stage 1 and I reset my character, I'm gonna spawn right here again. And I can't go back to stage 1 and 0 because then that would mess me up. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. It was a quick one because I already had the data source system. And yeah, see you. I don't know when again, but I hope soon. So bye.